Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background in CapCut step by step in a way that's easy to follow even if you've never done it before. This works great when you want to place your subject over a new image or video background, clean up a green screen clip, or make your edits look more professional without spending a ton of time. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut Desktop. Once you're inside your project, click Import and bring in both your main footage and the background you want to use. That could be a photo, a video, or even a simple color background depending on the style you want. Now drag your background media onto the timeline first. This is important because your background needs to sit underneath everything else. After that, drag your main subject clip onto the track directly above the background layer. This layer pad setup is what lets you remove the original background and reveal the new one underneath. Next, click on your main subject clip in the timeline to select it. Once it's highlighted, look at the upper right editing panel and make sure you're on the Video tab. From there, find the Remove BG sub-tab. On some versions of CapCut, this may be labeled Cutout instead, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. Inside that menu, check the box next to Chroma key. Then click the Color Picker tool, which looks like an eyedropper icon. After that, move your mouse over to the preview window and click directly on the solid background color you want to remove. If your clip was shot on a clean colored backdrop, CapCut should start isolating your subject right away. Now comes the part that makes the result look much better. Adjust the intensity slider upward until the background color completely disappears. If you still notice color edges, halos, or a little spill around your subject, increase the shadow slider slightly. This helps smooth out the borders and makes the cutout blend more naturally with the new background. If you want a more precise result, you can also use the custom removal option if it's available in your version. This is useful when you're comfortable isolating the visible area of the clip with a brush and want a more manual approach. It can take a little more time, but it gives you more control over tricky edges and detailed subjects. And if you do not want to purchase CapCut Pro, there's also another option. You can upload your clip to the CapCut Online Video Background Remover in your web browser. In some cases, the online version includes AI features or limited free exports through the Auto Removal Smart Tool, which can be a helpful alternative if you're working with a free setup. Once your background is removed and your new layer looks good, play the clip back and check for any rough edges or leftover color. If needed, go back and fine-tune the sliders until everything looks clean. That little extra adjustment can make a huge difference in the final video, and that's it. Now you know how to remove a background in CapCut using the desktop editor with a couple of extra options if you want to try the online remover as well. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.